Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Logic Pro X and loading the project you want to adjust. Make sure the control bar shows the LCD set to custom so tempo is visible. This gives immediate access to tempo controls. If your audio was recorded without click, enable Smart Tempo to analyze timing automatically and turn on the metronome for steady reference. Once done, select the track or region you're changing, because you'll be working at the region and project tempo level next. Now you'll change the tempo and handle regions. To alter whole song speed, click the tempo in the LCD and type a new BPM. This immediately affects MIDI and tempo-mapped audio. For ramps or precise timing, open the tempo track and add nodes to draw gradual changes. This is why the tempo track prevents abrupt artifacts. If you have recorded audio, enable Flex Time or use VariSpeed. Flex preserves pitch while adjusting timing, whereas VariSpeed changes both speed and pitch, useful for creative effects. Finish by auditioning the whole project and committing changes. Play through with the metronome to confirm groove, then bounce or use play in place to render tempo-changed audio into new files. Make sure transient markers align. If you hear artifacts after flex time, refine markers or increase flex mode quality and re-render. If VariSpeed introduced unwanted pitch shifts, revert or use flex to retain pitch. One key troubleshooting tip: when glitches persist, export the problematic region and re-import.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.